We left Gangtok and we are going to Lache. But on the way, the weather was clear, so we stopped at Tashi Point to get the view of Kanchenjunga. So I don't know whether it is visible in the camera. So this is Kanchenjunga. This is the view you will get from Tashi viewpoint if the weather is clear. Yesterday also we came here, but the weather was not clear and hence we couldn't see. But today it's appearing in its full glory. You don't even need to go to the top, you can just get this view from the road itself. Wow, this is splendid. We have stopped at the place called Seven Sister Waterfalls. You will get this on the way to Lachen from Gangtok. So after traveling around 1.5 hours from Gangtok, we found this waterfall. So yeah, let's go check it out. From the down you can see only 2 steps, but if you climb this face, you can see 4 steps if you go to the top. So right now I'm going to the top. So you can see the first step there, second, third and fourth. So if you climb the stairs and if you come to the top, you can see the 4 steps. So that was the Seven Sister Waterfall. It's pretty good because since it is on the way to Latchen, you can easily stop here, and if you don't want to come up, you can see from the bottom itself. Once you travel around 20 to 30 kilometers further, you will get a check post where you have to show your permits for the North Sikkim. Even though this is part of North Sikkim, actual permits will be checked about 20 to 30 kilometers. So there you have to throw your plastic water bottles, because in North Sikkim plastic bottles are not allowed. So you have to dispose your plastic bottles there, and after you show the permit, you can go inside the North Sikkim, further inside the North Sikkim.
One could see the Naga Falls from a far distance. Water comes in a serpentine fashion from the huge mountain over the rocks to the river. It is one of the biggest waterfall in Sikkim.
Lachen.
So we have stopped at a checkpost to show our permit to enter the Lachen and Lachon. So as you can see the board, currently the Guru Dhamma lake is closed. Hopefully it will open by tomorrow because we have planned to go to Guru Dhamma lake tomorrow. So we have stopped here at the checkpoint. We showed our permits, and this is on the way to Lachen from Chumtang. Actually, there are many vehicles parked here because the original way, which was right there, was blocked. So we have to go through the army camps. We have to go inside the army camp, and all the vehicles have to go one by one. So right now, all the vehicles coming from that way are coming, and all the vehicles which are going to Lachen have stopped. So after some point, they will open the gates for us so that all the vehicles which are parked right now, we can go inside the army camp and to the Lachen. Roads are very bad, and it will be the same way till Lachen. And our driver said it will take around another 1.5 hours to reach Lachen.
As we approached Lachen, the landscape and the weather changed drastically. It became very cold as the temperatures started dropping. We reached our hotel at 5:45 and it was already dark. We had a cup of hot tea and snuggled into the bed as the exciting journey to Sri Guru Dongma Lake lies ahead with us, hoping that the route is open.